Oh, I got a wheel off the Allstate. Somebody has thoroughly violated the spokes. Must have been too long. Ground them off. Now see if we can save the nipples. Get all screwed up from the trying to take them out. Now I can't use a screwdriver on half of them. Great. Got the wheel torn apart. This is the rear hub. That hub is over here. Clean that up. Polish them up. I put the spokes in the ultrasonic cleaner. The nipples, we'll see how those shine up. The spokes turned out good. Pretty shiny. They must be nickel plated. I don't think they're chrome plated. Get this cleaned up, shined up. Exhaust tips I blasted and washed. Fixed the ends of them up, were pretty beat up. This one's still a little funky, it's not round. We'll get them sanded and on the way to polishing. That'd be nice. There we go, polishing some hubs. A little corrosion right here. 320. Get in there and sand it out. So it's pretty clean. And I'll take Scotch-Brite, go through it, and then we'll polish it and see what it looks like with Blue Magic. Got her shined up. Started out like that, so this looks a lot better. This one's next. Scrub it up. Make it look like this one. Now I gotta do the spoke nipples. I did one. Here's what